We just want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all. We thank you so much for all the support we've gotten this year. We hit a great milestone this year. We had 10,000 subscribers. We're over 10,600 now in our YouTube channel. We are so grateful to every single one of you. There's 10,000 people watching our videos, and it just blows us away. We're excited for another year of travel. 2021 will be a great year.
Yes, it will.
Yes,
Stay healthy, stay safe, and we'll see you on the road. Thank you.
Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.